Welcome to the Competence FBOSS 301. Prepare stocks, sauces, and soups. Today we're focusing on the learning outcome 3. Prepare soup. Let's dive into the key aspects of preparing soups. Firstly, let's define soup. Definition of soup. A soup is a culinary dish typically consisting of a liquid base such as broth or stock, combined with various ingredients such as vegetables, meats, grains, or legumes. It is often seasoned with herbs, spices, and other flavorings to enhance its taste. Soup can vary widely in texture, from thin and brothy to thick and creamy, and it is enjoyed as a comforting and nourishing meal across cultures and cuisines. Identification of ingredients for soup. Identifying ingredients for soup involves recognizing key components that contribute to its flavor, texture, and overall composition. Firstly, liquids form the base of the soup, providing the foundation upon which other ingredients are built. These can include broths, stocks, or water. Secondly, thickening agents such as roux, cornstarch, or pureed vegetables add body and richness to the soup. Flavorings, ranging from vegetables and meats to herbs and spices, impart depth and complexity to the dish. Finally, seasonings like salt, pepper, and other condiments are essential for balancing flavors and enhancing the overall taste profile of the soup. These ingredients work harmoniously to create a delicious and satisfying culinary experience. Classification of soups. The classification of soups encompasses diverse culinary creations. Thick soups such as purees are characterized by their hearty consistency and rich, creamy flavors. In contrast, clear or unpassed soups like bouillons are prized for their clarity and delicate flavors, achieved through meticulous straining and skimming techniques. Cooking methods and techniques of soups. Boiling method. Chef Joseph starts by peeling and dicing potatoes, then placing them in a pot of boiling water. He adds chopped onions and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. As the potatoes soften and become tender, Chef Joseph knows it's time to remove them from the heat. Techniques. Simmering. After bringing the water to a boil, Chef Joseph reduces the heat to a gentle simmer, allowing the potatoes to cook slowly and evenly without breaking apart. Frying method. For the carrot soup, Chef Joseph heats a bit of oil in a separate pot over medium heat. He adds chopped carrots, onions, and garlic, sautéing them until they're soft and fragrant. Next, he pours in vegetable broth and lets the mixture come to a gentle boil. Technique associated with soup preparation. With both soups simmered to perfection, Chef Joseph turns his attention to refining their textures and flavors. Straining. To achieve a smooth and creamy texture, Chef Joseph strains both the potato and carrot soups through a fine mesh sieve, removing any remaining solids or fibrous bits. Blending. Armed with a blender, Chef Joseph purees each soup until silky smooth, ensuring a luxurious consistency that's perfect for slurping. Thickening. If the soups are too thin, Chef Joseph thickens them by adding a dollop of cream or a spoonful of potato starch, stirring until the desired thickness is achieved. Identification of characteristics for quality soup. Identifying quality soup involves assessing color, texture, flavor, and consistency. Vibrant colors indicate freshness, while a well-balanced texture offers a pleasing mouthfeel. Flavor should be nuanced and satisfying, with a harmonious blend of herbs and spices. Consistency plays a crucial role, ensuring the soup is neither too thin nor too thick. Presentation guidelines and storing procedures for soups. Presentation guidelines for soups aim to enhance visual appeal and dining experience with elegant bowls and plating techniques key to complementing the meal style. Correct portioning ensures consistency, whether serving individuals or family style. Plating involves arranging soup to showcase colors and textures, with garnishes enhancing flavor and appearance. Accompaniments like bread or infused oils elevate the dining experience. For storage, rapid cooling prevents bacterial growth, and airtight containers maintain freshness. Proper labeling aids in easy identification and rotation for food safety. Regular monitoring and rotation minimize waste and maintain quality. In conclusion, soup preparation involves selecting quality ingredients, employing various cooking methods and techniques, and paying attention to presentation and storage. Now, let's reinforce your understanding with a few questions. Name 3 common ingredients used in preparing soups. What are the 3 classifications of soups based on consistency? Describe 2 cooking methods for soups. Explain the importance of simmering in soup preparation. What are some presentation guidelines for serving soups? Think about these questions to solidify your knowledge. Thank you for joining us in this session. Enjoy mastering the art of soup preparation.